Okay, did you still remember the four fundamental operations in math when you are in elementary? What are they? Let's review. So the first fundamental operation in math, the first one is addition. Did you master out already addition? The second one is subtraction. Do you know how to subtract? The third one is multiplication. And the fourth one is division. Now, it is very important for you to master out all of them. It's because the operations that you had learned from your elementary will be carried out here in high school, and the only difference is that the concept will be deepened. Now, if we have four fundamental operations in math, we have also what we call operations of sets. Now, what are these operations of sets I am talking to? Now, focus on my video. Be in yourself because I'm going to let you learn on the operations of sets. Okay, so what is the first one? Here is the first one, the union of sets. Now, from union, did you understand what is union of sets? The word union, just like reunion. Now, if I'm going to um, let you see the true or the definition of this union of sets, you might be confused or of what it is all about. It's because of the complicated definition. Now, union of sets, just like you're having a reunion with your family, it's a combination. You combine. Now, let's have a formal definition of union of sets. Okay, now the union of set A and set B, written A union B, is the set of all elements that are in A or in B. Now, there is an important word in which all of you should remember when we talk about union of sets. And what is this word? Now, the word is or. So, or. Remember the word or. That denotes union of sets. Now, and what is the symbol of union of sets? It's just like a universal set, U, that denotes union of sets. Now, example, to let you understand about union of sets, I am going to give you examples. So let's have, for example, Sandra and Marco. Sandra's favorite fruits and Marco's favorite fruits. So it was listed here, set A, whose elements are grapes, apple, melon. And these are the fruits in which Sandra's likes or Sandra's favorite fruits. Now, set B, whose elements are grapes, apple, and guava. And these are the fruits that Marcos likes. Now, if you are to examine, or if we are to examine very well, there are fruits in which they are in common. There are fruits in which Sandra and Marcos likes have in common. And what are they? We have grapes and apple. Sandra likes grapes and apple. Marco likes grapes and apple also. Now, how are we going to find out the union of Sandra's favorite fruits and Marco's favorite fruits? To find out the union of these, it's just like saying, what are the favorite fruits of Marco or Sandra? Now, here is the question. What are the favorite fruits of Sandra or Marco? So the word is, the clue word is or. So in symbol, when we have the word or, the symbol is union. That's fine. set A union set B. Now, how are we going to answer this? So the answer for this is Sandra or Marco's favorite fruits. Okay, that's the symbol, is a set whose elements are grapes, apple, melon, and guava. We're only to write down all the fruits that Marco and Sandra likes. But we are not going to write repeatedly. We have to write it once. Okay. Now another example. Example number 2. Volleyball players and basketball players. Set V whose elements are Rex, Marlene, and Bob, and these are the volleyball players. And for the basketball players, we have Rex, Mar, John, Win, and Mel. Now, if you notice, there are names listed twice on the two sets. And what are these names? We have number 1, Rex was listed in volleyball and also in basketball. So, number 1, Rex. The second one is Mar. Mar was listed in volleyball and Mar was listed also in basketball. How about John? How about Lynn? Okay, how many are the names listed in both sports? We have only, we have Rex first, second is Mar. Therefore, there are 2 players listed on both sports. So, how are we going to find out the union of set V and set B? So when we are to say union of set V and set B, we're just like asking who are the players of basketball, all the players of basketball and volleyball. So how are you going to write the union of sets? All you have to do is to write down all of the names listed, but do not write it repeatedly, just like this. So find volleyball or basketball players, that's or union. So we are only to write down the names, all the names listed in V. We have Rex, Mar, Lynn, Bob. After that, we will write also the names listed in set B or for the basketball players. But the first name on set B is Rex. However, we had written already Rex. There's Rex already, so no need to write anymore because Rex in volleyball and Rex in basketball are the same. Next is Mar. No, we need not to write again Mar. It's because Mar in volleyball and Mar in basketball are the same. How about John? Is there any John on set V? No John in set V. So therefore, we will write John. How about Win? Is there any Win in set V? No. So therefore, we will write Win. How about Mel? Is there any Mel on set V? There's none. So therefore, we will write Mel. So therefore, the to find out or to answer the union of sets, all we have to do is to write down all of the elements of the sets, but do not write it repeatedly. Okay, do you understand? Now let's proceed to the next. So, and how is union of sets in Venn diagram? Do you still remember the Venn diagram that we discussed on the previous video? The Venn diagram? Let's review. What is a Venn diagram? So usually a Venn diagram consists of a rectangle or a quadrilateral in which there is what is on its upper left side? Still U. So there is U, and U stands for universal set. Okay. Here is the Venn diagram of sets, of union of sets. Okay. Okay. That's it. So the Venn diagram, there is a quadrilateral or a rectangle. Then there is U stands for the union of set, stands for universal set rather. And there are two circles given. We have A and B, circle A and circle B, where A stands for set A and circle B stands for set B. Now, the shaded orange circles represents the union of set A and set B. All of the orange you had seen represents the union of set A and set B. Do you understand? Okay.